Hey crafty friends, it's Andrea here from Andrea Kay Crafts, and today I wanted to share with you my Cricut mystery box that I got for the month of March. It came a little different this time. Like normally it comes in its own box, but like it comes in a separate box within a box, I guess. This time it just like I opened the main box and like everything was there. So I'm just gonna pull things out as I see them. I haven't really like checked everything out yet, but I did get 2 hats. These are the infusible ink hats, which I'm really excited to work with. So we got 2 hats. I'll just set that there. I also got the tote bag blank, and it's the 13-inch by 14-inch, so this is a really great size. Let's kind of put that there. And I got some more mugs. I love these mugs. I do make a lot of mugs. Even if I don't use my mug press, if I'm just making mugs, I like the Cricut mugs to use, so that's exciting. Printable vinyl. Oh wow, that's a lot of printable vinyl. 50 sheets. That's exciting. Okay, so that's a lot of printable vinyl. I have a lot of crafts that I can make with this. Sorry guys, I do have a cold right now. But yeah, I always can use printable vinyl. There is also 2 colors of infusible ink. So there is a, let me see what color this one is, a warm gray and what looks like a Kelly green. Let me see what this color is. I don't see the color, so I'm just going to call it green because there's no like extra color name there. So we got that. And of course we have our little Cricut Cutie that I'll open, but first there's something else in here. Oh, I think these might be mats. I'm pretty sure these are mats. I love getting mats because I always need them. Yes. All right. This was a great mystery box to get all of this stuff. So I got a mat. Oh wait, no, I got more than 1. Oh, you get 3. That's exciting. So I got 3 light grip mats, the 12 by 12 mats. That's awesome. And let me kind of try to make some more room. So I got a lot of stuff. And when I say I mean if you ordered this box, you're most likely going to get the exact same thing. So just know that, like, it wasn't just me. All right, we'll put that there. Let's open our Cutie, because if you know me, you know that my entire craft space is done in long hamburger baskets and Cricut Cuties. Those are my things. So let me open my box. Oh my gosh, and this is one of my craft room colors. Look how cute. What color is this? Does it say? A Soothing Sea. Oh, that's so cute. So look how cute that is. I just think these are as cute as, like, they're called, the Cuties. I have them all throughout my craft room. I'm actually going to be redoing my van windows to put Cricuts on those. My husband was like, I don't care, do whatever you want. So that's what I'm going to do. But look how cute this little Cutie is. The color is perfect for my craft room. And we got a lot of great stuff here today. So let me put this away. And I will show you again what all came with this. So you got the 50 sheets of printable vinyl, the infusible ink bag, the infusible ink mugs, 2 sets of infusible ink, 3 light grip cutting mats, and 2 infusible ink hats. So that was a really great deal. I think I paid like 40, 47, 49, something like that. It may still be available. If it is, go check it out. Just go into Cricut. I have a link below. It's my affiliate link. If you click on that and just go in and search mystery box, if this is still available, you'll be able to grab this. I am so excited that I got this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this was a quick video, but I just wanted to get it out there so that I could see what I got in my box and that I can start using all of these amazing things. Alright, so until next time guys, bye!